Hello everyone, we are back in the van. Kinda feels strange. Feels strange to be back in the van and back in the van with you guys. A little bit. It's been 3 weeks that I spent with my friends. A lot of fun. And yeah, we just pack everything and we are back on the road full time now. I fill up my freezer I should say, of stuff. My mom fill up my freezer of stuff. We are pack of stuff, guys. My mom make myself, it's gonna be later, it's in the freezer right there, maple syrup pie. We have fresh strawberry because while I was there, it was strawberry time. So make sure to put a couple. My mom make some strawberry jam. I left in the freezer for now, but yeah, it's gonna be later. And we have some maple syrup butter. This is the thing. This is the thing that you guys probably don't have access to much of it. Maple syrup butter, it's not made with butter, it's only maple syrup that they cook a little bit longer and they stir and they stir and they stir until it become like a creamy butter. It's really creamy, it's really good. But yeah, all this gonna be stay in the freezer for a little bit because I hate so much stuff, guys. My mom makes some cookies and some stuff every day and fresh bread, and now I'm just like I'm full of all that. I'm gonna need a couple of days to relax. And over there I also have maple syrup. I didn't forget about the fresh maple syrup. Well, fresh. If you don't know, maple syrup is made in March, April. So it was not the maple syrup time while I was there. But I have some. I'm good. We are probably good for a year of maple syrup. So I thought on this first day of being back in the van that I could show you one area that I really like. Old building. This is the church behind me. You cannot see me, but you can see the church, and chat about what I've did in the past 3 weeks because yeah, there's so much going on, guys. So this house here used to be the house of my grandma and grandpa live. Used to be a little bit different. They changed it back. Yeah, we are in Charlesbourg, sorry. We are in Charlesbourg right now. No translation in English. It's just what it is. It is kind of like a square of like old building. Super cute, super nice. Kind of like different of like downtown Quebec, which I thought I filmed like several times. So a little bit different. I might have come here. I don't remember with you guys, I should say. But yeah, gorgeous everywhere. So yeah, you guys probably wonder what I did for 3 weeks without you. First, it was kind of like vacation, which felt really good. You might think I'm always in vacation because I always travel. Yes and no. Yes, I do travel all the time, but it was great to just no video, only had video editing, which is a couple hours every other day type of. But it was nice to have a little break of video making and things like this. So I spent a lot of time with my nephew. I only have one brother and he's got 2 kids, so we spend a little bit of time with them. He's got a nice little new ATV. Lucky guy. I was probably the first girl, I can say that, the first girl that he did right. It's a small little ATV. Oh, I wanted to steal it. It was so much fun. It's got a limit of speed that he could go, but yeah, it was just plenty enough to just go explore, enjoy. We went to my father's, got a maple syrup shack, if you don't know. I spent a little bit of time when it was the maple syrup time. Sorry, it's a little bit windy. I hope you hear me well. So yeah, we went to the shack with them and just enjoy some time there. It was pretty nice. I'm gonna put a couple of pictures of all of this. And I also spent a lot of time with my friends, which was so great. Usually we just go for a dinner, you know, they have kids, they have a life and all this. But when I was there in Quebec, it was the biggest, one of the biggest festivals we have in Canada, I think almost. The summer festival, Festival d'été de Québec in French. So big stage, I think you have like 4 or 5 stage every night for 11 days. Really big outdoor festival, super fun. I kind of didn't know that I was going there at the time, but it was kind of like the perfect time. We went out. Well, there you go. You have a little bit of history where we are right now. The park, this here where we are, started in the 17th century. They don't have any English part. Oh, I'm gonna have to translate for you guys. So this is where it started. Couple building. This one, which I think is this one here. We are with the church that we pass. So not so many buildings before, but it kind of like spread. Started with the church in the middle. It kind of spread all over. Yeah. And now it's almost what it looked like. A lot more building. So yeah, I went to the festival. I didn't have any pass to go, so it's like a one ticket that you can go to all the shows. I didn't have that, but my friend was just gathering whatever person didn't come to just like give me the pass, which was really nice. We went to see a couple show. So the first night we went to see a free concert, which was a French artist, Marjo. It was fun. It was kind of strange to sing in French and hear some French music. But it was a lot of fun. We danced, we had fun. The second night that we went to see a DJ, electronic music. Was a ton of fun. We felt like we were back to like dancing at the club, and my friends are the same friends that I have since I'm 15, so we used to go at the club together. So yeah, the second night we went to see Bob Sinclair and another DJ before. Ton of fun. We danced our face off. And I went to the last night, which the closer of the whole festival was Shania Twain. We also danced, even though I'm not like a Shania Twain necessarily fan. It was, yeah, a lot of fun. So yeah, 3 weeks of fun, family time. Yeah, exactly what I needed. I didn't realize that I needed a little break, but felt good. Felt really good. And well, I said in my last video, Kenny was bored though. We used to always move, always, you know, explore new place. Her window is never the same. She always has something to look at. Yeah, she was starting to get really bored. But it's alright. I'm happy to be back in the van too, as much as I love it and it was fun. Yeah, it's great to be back in the van. This one is probably really old. Crazy. Are you happy to be back in the van, Kitty? Yeah? Hey, it's been a while since you gave them a kiss, eh? Are you gonna know what to do that? Okay. Yeah. Are you gonna know? Are you gonna know how to do that? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, you know what to do. I guess you did visit. Yeah. So yeah, I kind of wanted to give you guys an update. I think this video is gonna go live like today, like right now. You guys following me right now. So where we are going, that's a good question that I cannot even, I don't even know. Do you know where we're going? I don't know either. So I think we are going a little bit more east, following the Saint Laurent River, because that's gonna be where, I love you too. It's gonna be where the weather is gonna be a little bit nicer, and after that, maybe for the next 2 weeks, that's what we're gonna do also. And after that, slowly make our way Ontario, and slowly at the end of the year ish, like October, probably gonna be October, November, before I head to British Columbia before all the snow start. I don't want to drive in the snow. So yeah, I think that's gonna be the plan for the next couple weeks and months coming. Are you kidding? Yeah. So yeah, that's just a little update that I wanted to do with you today, this morning, and also showing you this beautiful little corner around Quebec. We do have a couple of those little corners. This one is a little bit more special, if you want, because my grandma used to live there. They moved when my grandfather died. I think I was 5 years old, so I have like very vague souvenir. At this time was not like a popular corner to go explore. It was just like some old building. Now they kind of make a little bit more like a corner for tourist people to come and visit and explore this little part, other than the Quebec City. But you guys saw the Quebec City. I don't know if we're gonna see it again. We'll see how I feel tomorrow, if I go in downtown Quebec City or if we skip it. I go there every time I'm coming in Quebec, every time with you. So maybe we're gonna do something different. Maybe. I think we're gonna do that. Alright, kitty, you wanna give them a kiss? After that, we have to edit and post that for them. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and leave you with a kiss of Kitty. If she can remember. Are you gonna remember? Huh? Are you gonna remember to give them a kiss? Right there. And Kitty, Kitty, Kitty. Give them a kiss. Kitty. It's been like a while. There you go. There you are. Those are nice little kisses. Oh, that's a long kiss too. Aw, thank you so much. Alright guys, we'll see you into the next one. You look happy to be back in the van.